Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Vansha Kadeer. So today I am going to discuss the very famous poet of Sindh, Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, for the sake of presentation which is assigned by my honorable teacher. Let's discuss a brief summary of Shah Abdul Latif's life. So Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai was born on 1617 and was a renowned Sindhi poet, scholar and mystic from Sindh, Pakistan. His life and work are a testament to his spiritual and literary legacy. So let's discuss his early life. So Shah Abdul Latif was born in Hala Haveli, which lies in Sindh, and he belongs to a very famous and he belongs to a very noble family. He received traditional Islamic education and showed a keen interest in literature and spirituality. Shah Abdul Latif travelled extensively throughout the Sindh, Balochistan, Central Asia, seeking spiritual guidance from various Sufi saints and scholars. Eventually, he settled in Bhiksha, Sindh, where he spent most of his life in contemplation, writing, and teaching. Shah Abdul Latif authored several books of poetry, including Shaju Risalo, The Message of Shah, which is considered one of the greatest works of Sindhi literature. His poetry explored themes of love, spirituality, and the human conditions. Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai founded the Bhitai Sufi order, emphasizing love, compassion, and spiritual growth. Shah Abdul Latif's teaching and poetry have inspired generation of Sindhi people and continue to be celebrated and studied today. Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai passed away on December 14, 1752 in Bhiksha, which lies in Sindh. Shah Abdul Latif buried in a mausoleum in Bhiksha, which has become a revered shrine and a symbol of Sindhi culture heritage. Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai's life and work continue to inspire and influence people around the world, and his legacy remains an integral part of Sindhi culture and identity. Shah Abdul Latif poetry is known for its unique style and which blends Sindhi folk tradition with Sufi mysticism and Islamic teachings. He wrote in the Sindhi language, making his work accessible to the common people, and his poetry has been translated into many languages. Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai's teaching emphasized the importance of love, compassion, and selflessness, and he is considered one of the greatest poet and Sufi saint of the Indian subcontinent. He is also considered the national poet of Sindh, and his work has had a profound impact of Sindhi literature, culture, and identity. Today, Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai's work remains a powerful symbol of Sindhi culture and heritage, and his message of love, compassion, and unity continues to inspire people all around the world. So, thank you so much.